Hello everyone. How many of you are in the habit of keeping track of your income, saving, and expenses? If your answer is no, this video is going to help you out. And if your answer is yes, you can cross check your approach. So, in this video, we are going to discuss three important aspects. One is what is right saving formula, the second is the 50, 30, and 20 rule of budget, and third, how a small change can make big difference. So, let's get started. What is right saving formula? We know the important components in this formula, which are your income, saving, and expenses. So these are three most important components in this saving formula. Income, you all know what you are earning. Your income could be by two different ways. One is your active income and second is your passive income. What is active income? Where you are providing your services. Once you are rendering your services, the income earned through that is your active income. For example, salary, business, commission income, these are your active income. Passive income, where which you are earning from your investments. For example, interest income. You have given your house on rent. Your rent is your passive income. Now, second component is expense, which could be discretionary and non-discretionary expenses. What are those? So discretionary expenses are those which you can control. Non-discretionary are necessities, food, rent, fuel, your fees, school fees or of your child. Then these are expenses will be basic expenses, necessities or your needs. Now, moving towards saving, which is investment which is linked with your financial goals. Whatever you are saving, you are investing somewhere to achieve financial freedom, which is linked with your goals. Now, so far we know about this approach. Income less expenses will give you saving. But is it the right way or right formula? So you can see one more formula and then decide what is right according to you. So here, the second formula states as income, less saving, then expend. So the approach says don't spend first. First, you should save and then spend. Okay. So don't save what is left after spending. Save first and spend later. This is the right approach. So obviously, the second one is the right formula. Now, you have understood about these three components and the categories also, like income, we have discussed active and passive income, and expenses, we know about the discretionary and non-discretionary. Saving, we will further see what the investments are, which is linked to the financial goals. Now, second point, which is very important in this video, is the categorization of whatever you are going to save or spend. So spending could be two category, need and want. Both are spending. And saving is where you are going to invest for your financial freedom or goals. Financial objectives will be met out by your investments. So three important components, needs, want, and saving. What is the formula which is most common? That is 50, 30, and 20 rule. So basically 50 is which will be allocated towards your needs. 30 is allocated towards your wants and 20 is saving component. So your pie chart will show 50, 30, and 20 rule, which is most common. Most of you will be heard about it. Now, what is the second approach? There could be a little different from this, where you can change the percentage allocation of wants and saving according to your requirement. Need is what we have discussed in the previous slide as well. Need are basic necessities, your rent, your groceries, food, everything which are need, which are necessities will come under this section. Want are your expenses. For example, you want to go out, dining out, spending for entertainment, travel. These are buying luxurious goods. These are your wants. And the saving, which is linked with your investment which you are saving for your future. Now, just look at this, which is a little different from the previous slide where I have changed the allocation. Mostly you will hear about the 30% in want and 20% in saving. But this is not the thumb rule and which is not applied, which cannot be applied for everyone. You can change it according to your need. For example, you have not saved enough for your financial freedom. You can spend less in want category and increase more component in the saving amount. So that is what here I have done a little change. Making this little change will give you a huge difference amount once we see the perspective from long-term time horizon. So third aspect is how you are going to choose. There could be different combination. I have given only one example from this. If you are changing the want from 30% to 20%, how it is going to change. So this example tells you if you are making a monthly investment of 20,000, I have taken an assumption that you are earning 1 lakh rupees per month. So out of 1 lakh, 50,000 is going for need. Rest is what? 30% for want and 20% for saving. So first formula, according to first formula, you are saving 20,000 rupees per month. The rate is taken as 12%. This is assumption. Your investments are growing at the rate of 12% per annum. Tenure, let's see, you are investing for 20 years. This 20,000 monthly will be invested for 20 years. Every month you are doing the same contribution. So your total investment is 48 lakhs and the resultant amount after 20 years will be 1 crore 99 lakh 82,952. This is first category where 20% is allocated towards saving. Now, if we change this and make 30,000 investment, making the component of want with saving, that will be 30,000 rupees. If you invest 30,000 per month at the rate of same 12% for 20 years, you are investing 72 lakh rupees. Total investment is 72 and what resultant amount gives you 2 crore 99 lakh 74,438. This is the difference. Nearly 1 crore is the difference between these two. Making a small change can make a huge difference, which can be giving you ease for your financial freedom. So that is what I intended to say about these three facts. Hope you will clear about what are needs, what are wants, and what are your saving, how you are going to channelize your saving, and if there is a little change, how it is going to help you out in long term. So that's all for today. If you like the video, please share it with others and subscribe to my channel for more such information.